Dynasty.
Step into my world if you think you can. I'll fuck around what and take your man. Bitches Ace Ventura while I'm cool as a fan, drinking my ties and kicking the sand. Now I'm the Dynasty queen, there's a reason for that. I go around speaking cold-hearted facts. Never fuck around with these lames or rats. All I'm worried about is this mooga and tracks. If you wanna see me, we come in packs, leaving body in graves and heads and sacks.